Hi, myself Sambaswama, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about the case study used in engineering drawing. Normally, what do you mean by case study? So anyone can able to say? Yes, case study is nothing but taking a real-time problem or an industrial problem where we can able to discuss the various problems occurred in the industrial area or real-time purposes where we can able to give possible solutions. So in order to, I have taken the spectacular stand on the field of canine games as a case study. Before going into our topic, I'd like to give some mind refreshing activity to make you an active participation in our class. So normally the mind activity is nothing but I am going to list out the 5 to 6 pictures where they have some connectivity between them. So according to that, I am going to list first one is nothing but a ball badminton game, and second one is an archery, and third one is an boat racing, and the fourth one is nothing but an hockey, and fifth one is normally the picture is too small, so I can able to say that it is an wrestling, and sixth one is nothing but a javelin throw. So anyone can able to crack the connection between the pictures? Let's try. I think everyone able to crack. Yeah, right. Yeah, these are the games where they commonly used in the Olympics. So today also our topic is also based on the Olympic Games. So normally the Olympic Games or the talent exhibition show taking place in the collaboration with several countries like India, USA, American, Australian and Italian and European countries and the African countries, that they can show their talents through the various games where they were with an utmost talent. The participants were allowed to play their game in a restricted area, but they are able to motivated by their viewers where they were allowed to watch the game from the stand. But in 2008 Olympics, there was a need of an hall, nothing but a spectacular stands in the Beijing Olympics. In the canine games area were expected to build in the Beijing Shunye Water Park in 2008, where there were no bleachers at the stadiums. Thus, the Beijing Organizing Committee for Olympic Games mandated the construction of a spectacular stand surrounding the field game to motivate the participants, also to generate the revenue. The spectator stand should be a temporary one, stable one, durable and disassembled easily when the games are over. The following diagrams are shown on the on-site sketches before and after the spectator stand was built. So based on that, currently the CAD software is applied at college levels and universities to teach the drawing. The examples in this project were drawn with the use of an AutoCAD. The drawing size must be in line with the design specifications, and the drawing frame should be rendered according to the standard drawing specifications. If creating drawings using a CAD system, as the specifications of various organizations varies, but the drawing boundary may or may not be marked, but the frames must be clearly marked with thick lines. The second one, the assembling the drawing containing the specific views showing the entire structure of the components as well as the linkage and assembly relationship between the components. The following illustration shows the temporary spectators assembly drawing stand for the canine game. According to this drawing, on-site installation should be carried in which the structure, assembly and interconnection of the different sections of the spectator stands, including its face, rear, left, right and middle are shown in the 5 views in a clear and detailed manner. The front view, the vertical view, the left view, right and the middle views are also expressed in the drawing sheets. This means the expression of assembly drawings varies with different products. So the different views are obtained through the different kind of products and the different views are obtained. So next one is about the assembly drawings. Assembly drawings should also clearly describe the key dimensions which are mandatory in the diagram sections. The key mandatory dimensions such as the total size, the assembly size and the size of the assembly. Following the standards as shown in the figure, we can see the key sizes such as spectator total length, width and height and fixed mounting distance between the compartments and fixed connection between the key parts. According to the international standard requirements, the specific dimensions of the standard method should be an accurate one, and it also to be a comprehensive. It should be a clear and a reasonable one before preparing the assembly drawing. The assembly drawing should also include the words or symbols which define the technical requirements of the installation and use components. We can see in contrast that there is no technical requirement listed in the figures, but detailed technical criteria has been listed. Since the engineering drawing is a very flexible technical document, it is feasible that no words or symbols describing the technical requirements are added to the drawing when all comprehensive data including views, dimensions and title columns in the drawing can clearly describe the component specifications. By concluding that the focusing on the basic knowledge, basic principles and basic methods relating to a descriptive geometry and engineering graphics, the computer design, the geometrical modeling, science study and the popular techniques dealing with the graphics in real-time engineering have been incorporated in the context of engineering. This course helps the engineers to master their engineering skills in engineering drawing. Normally, the drawing is a basic essential for any type of building or in product development. The dimensions also takes a key place that the engineers must know a basics about the engineering drawing. Without them, no product can be developed or built. So, I have referred the several references. Apart from that, I have listed the 3 major references used for the following case study. Especially, I would like to thank the applications of case study in the engineering drawing by Zhang Weining. Is in Zhejiang University, the people of Republic of China, where he has listed the various problems in their real-time applications, especially in the engineering drawing course. Thank you for your patient listening. Until the next video, it is signing off by from Samsumar, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore.